3/4 sleeve split neck top. It is a beautiful printed design of Wisteria. You're saving $18 today, and there's no reorder, baby. So when it's gone, it's gone. It is a clearance price, $39.99 for this great top that is the kind of perfect way to bring a little burst of sunshine in right now and wear it straight into those warmer months. 3 easy payments of $13.33. Length is 26.5 to 32.5. Extra small through 3X. This is your azalea, which is that great pink color with that great floral wisteria combo. Then we have our medium purple. As Angel told us, we don't do much purple.
We don't.
For Quacker Factory. If you are a purple lover, there are only 200 left in these. So run, don't walk to the phone. And then we have the black option for you. Super chic. We started the show with another option, and we've already run out, but our black is now the most popular. It's item number A629635. So call 800-500-7590. Place those orders. I love what you're doing over there.
I know. I love a spectator look with the black and the white. It's simple, it's clean, it's elegant, it's beautiful. This top, 100% cotton, 3/4 length sleeves, that split V, so it's comfortable, it's flattering. You have those shell buttons that do function, but we didn't put any bling on this because
why?
We wanted the print to stand all on its own. And it truly, truly does. We brought this in, I don't know, a few years ago in December, because December it's a hard month because you've already gotten your holiday items. You're not quite ready for spring yet. So this is that beautiful transitional piece that just gets you through the mucky mucks between the holiday season, right? And when it's gray and brown outside, we lost a tree the other day, totally smashed our fence.
Oh no.
Right, yeah. So now today I was calling, getting, we need a quote, or the fence, blah, blah, blah. And so you just need those little things that give you a perk, that perk you up, especially. We had some really horrible winds. We had some rain. I know a lot of you are getting snow and ice. So these are those pieces that we pop on just to get us through until the sun starts setting after 7 p.m.
Right. Oh, I can't wait. And the joy you will feel when you get this, you see it in the mirror, it gives you that instant joy. When someone sees it on the street, they get that instant joy. But I have something that's not joyful.
Uh-oh.
We've had over 200 ordered in this show.
That's joyful to me.
It is, but not for you at home if you're waiting. If you're sitting there going, well, maybe I'm thinking about it, what are you waiting for? Clearance price of $39.99. We've already had 200 spoken for in this show alone. 3 easy payments of $13.33, and there's no reorder on this. And this is that great elevated look that brings the joy at the same time. So place your orders, check out of your cart if you're on QVC.com, or call 800-500-7590. You have the choice of, I'm holding our azalea. Then we have our medium purple, I'm sorry.
Medium.
And then we have our black.
Okay. So listen, y'all, I'm giving you another sneak peek. Of stuff that we have coming up.
It's like gossip hour. We've got all the secrets.
It is, because you watch us here on QVC too. I like to spill the tea, right?
Yeah.
So a very popular pedal pusher that we have in our line is coming back.
Okay.
In 2 new colors, one of which is a lilac, which would be stunning.
With these tops.
With this in the black.
But if you don't pick it up now.
Exactly.
And it's gone. There's no reorder, so you will miss out on such a fashionable moment and that joy. And I love that you were talking earlier about the wisteria blowing in the wind in the summer months. I think of just how many memories are tied to wisteria or different flowers, and that is what's so exciting about the summer. And the fact that you can have something that brings you that joy, no matter what the weather is outside. That is what Quacker Factory does so well. That is what made me fall in love with this brand as a kid, just watching. There were no clothes for me, but I loved the joy, I loved the energy, and I loved the pieces because they showed your personality. These colors, these patterns, these prints are the way to showcase your personality at a clearance price today. It is the best of both worlds, so do not wait. We have now had 300 of these ordered, so make sure you are placing your orders. Call 800-500-7590. As Angel said, these are gonna pair back great with some of the things we're seeing further into the spring months, but when it's gone, it's gone. Get that clearance price of $39.99 when it should be $58, closer to $60. I don't believe the groundhog. I don't.
No, I know.
I know the sun's going to shine soon.
Yes, absolutely. I was going to say real quickly, my dream. Yesterday was National Drink Wine Day.
It was?
Right?
Oh,
and so
I did know that.
I did a little video of images of my sister-in-law and my husband and I drinking wine in Italy, right? I did a little screenshot. I can go onto my social media, Angel Smedley at Instagram and on Facebook, right? And so one of the visions that I talk about with the Wisteria is imagining being in Tuscany, in Italy, in the summer, drinking a beautiful, crispy, fruity white wine under a pergola, drizzled and draped and dripping with Wisteria.
I just got chills. I was like,
right?
I don't know if it was the wine or the Wisteria. I think it was the combination of the two.
I mean, that's a dream.
It is a dream.
That's a dream.
And that is what we're going to do this summer.
I
We're going
like
to have
it.
a date. We're going to go.
I love
and
it.
you can wear your Wisteria top.
I
You all
like
can
it.
join us. And you can join us by picking us up for $39.99. Item number A629635. Your colors again, this is your azalea. This is your medium purple. That is your black. Our black is our most popular. We have had over 300 ordered in this show alone. Do not wait on these. Friend to friend. When they're gone, they're gone. 800-500-7590 is that number to call. Extra small through 3X are your sizes. Now, she was very, very popular, and there was a lot of other items that were super popular in the show, and you can shop the show backwards. Go to QVC2 on that little click down tab and you'll see everything we had. Angel and I were dancing around for joy at these clearance prices, and you will be too the second you get them home. Angel Smedley.
Thank you so much, my love.
It is always such a joy to be with you.
It was for me too.
I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I
you.
hope you have a great rest of your day, but don't go anywhere because for the next hour, we're talking Susan Graper, you and me. I will see you in just a moment. I'm John Batalise, and I hope you don't leave. Okay, bye.